Pwede namin ngayon kunin ng opinion kasi, the ALDA phenomenon. How does ABS handle this one?
Actually, what we're seeing naman, sabi ko nga, if you look at our sales and our stock price, it's at an all-time high. Only because what we felt was that it wasn't able to cannibalize a lot of our viewers. In fact, a lot of non-viewers on TV went and watched. So if you look at our ratings, actually ALDA pushed up our ratings. Eh, since our pricing is dependent on the rating point, mas tumaas ang benta namin. So if you go to our sales, because we're a public company, we will share that every quarter. It's going to be an all-time. It's one of the best years of ABS-CBN because of that.
So hindi po affected?
Hindi affected kasi tumaas ang viewers. Kasi ang nangyari, okay, yung non-viewing TV public, sila ang ngayon, nanonood sila ng ALDA. After that, nag-commercial, balik sa TV, sa Showtime muna. So tumaas yung ratings.
Okay.
Now, of course, babalik sila doon sa ALDA, pero okay lang. Kasi mas kami, we're okay with it. No?
Yeah, we heard po na, hindi yung walang reformat na mangyayari sa mga
Wala.
because of that.
I think for us, it's a good learning even for the entire industry. Not even like a TV, channel to channel. Sabi hindi ganun. I think we saw na, sabi nila parang TV, wala masyadong magandang show, wala masyadong. But I think, number one, we realized there's an audience for each show. Number one, there's a target audience. We're not there to say na kailangan mag-cannibalize tayo ng show ng bawat isa. Iba naman ang, if you look at it, even without ALDA, iba naman ang Itbulaga viewer, iba ang Showtime viewer. How they did with ALDA actually extended and dumami yung number of viewers nila. Pero in terms of just Showtime, wala, hindi mo siya na-affect. No? That's why our ratings were higher. And that's why our sales were at an all-time high.
May percent po ba tayo or percentage ng tinaas ng rating or ng
I have to ask TV Pro. I don't have the ano eh. But what I know is that when sales was presenting, they were saying, oh, tumaas pa tayo, okay na tayo dyan.
So hindi tayo affected at all. What about po yung ALDA being lead na in social media?
Okay lang yun. I think right now, if you look at it, kami